welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change a thumbnail on YouTube. If you don't choose a thumbnail image, YouTube will automatically select one for you. Sometimes this may be the most flattering image. Imagine pushing the TV to run and get a snack. You never know what someone's face could look like. This same applies to automatic YouTube thumbnail images. If you don't have time to create a custom picture, you can still change the thumbnail image, as YouTube will automatically suggest 3 thumbnails. Changing to one of these 3 images is as simple as the click of a button. So let me show you how it's done. Okay, before we start, please kindly subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Before we start, go to your YouTube channel homepage. To access your thumbnail image, click on your icon. Also consider your profile picture. In the upper right corner of your screen, a drop menu will appear. Click on my channel. From there, click on videos, located just right of the home button. You can now see all the videos you have uploaded to your YouTube channel, including the thumbnail for each video. Select the video for which you would like to edit your YouTube thumbnail. Once you have clicked on the correct video, you will see an edit video button underneath the YouTube player. Once you click the edit video button, you will see that YouTube auto generates 3 potential thumbnail images. Simply click on the image you didn't like to use as your thumbnail, then click save in the upper right corner. This is the easiest way to choose a thumbnail with a few simple clicks. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. Thank you.